Hi there. Today we're going to do some signs for shapes. The sign for the word shape is just make your hands go like this and kind of make a funny blobby shape with it. So we're going to start. I have a bunch of shapes here, and I'm going to show you the signs. Now most of the signs use your two pointer fingers, and you just make the shape like a square is like this. Here is a square I have, and you see I'm just showing the outside part of it. So I start at the top and go sideways and over and down, down and across, and that's the shape of a square. And there's my square. This shape is a triangle, and its shape goes the same. It starts on the top, goes down the sides, and then across the middle. You can see it looks just like that shape. Triangle. And I have a couple that I do that same way. This is a shape that's called a diamond or a rhombus. We start at the top and go down, and a slant, and then down again, and your fingers meet. In each case, it's just showing the shape. And use that same thing for a lot of other shapes that you might have that have different number of sides, of straight lines. This is, you might know, that looks like a stop sign. That shape has 8 sides. It's called an octagon. And you go do, 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 and you show the sides to it. And you do the same with other shapes that have straight sides. You could do a pentagon like this, or a hexagon. Those are some different shapes that have straight sides. Now the one that has straight sides that we do differently is this shape. That is a rectangle. If we made a rectangle like this, it would kind of look like we were signing square. So it's a little bit different. We use our thumb and our pointer finger, and we go like that. And you see that looks just like that shape. If we saw a rectangle that was going kind of up and down, we could make the shape this way to show that it was an up and down rectangle. So a lot of shapes are that way, but what if we have a circle? Here's my circle. For a circle, instead of having the two fingers go together, one finger just makes the shape of a circle. Some people do it like this. I usually do it with this, and this finger kind of helps you keep track of where you started from. So that's for a curved shape like a circle or an oval. So I do the same thing, start at the top and show looping down for the oval. Then there are a couple of shapes which are kind of connected to things in real life. One of those is a star. A star. You might know this sign. You make two fingers and you kind of have them bounce off each other, and that's the sign for star. So if you're talking about a star, in the sky, you would definitely use this sign. If you're talking about the shape, you could either do this sign or show the shape of a star. That's a little tricky, but you could show that as being the shape of the star. And the same thing is true for a heart. You can show a heart shape or show a heart on your body. And depending, if you're talking about your real heart, you would probably do it on the body. And if it was just the shape, you could do it in the air, or you could do it on the body, either way. So remember the rules for signs for shapes that have straight sides like that. We start at the top and draw the shape. Except if it's a rectangle, use our pointer and our thumb. And for a circular shape, you just use one finger, like that. All right, I hope you enjoyed doing those shapes. And the shaping with your hand can help you remember what the shape is. All right, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.